Hi everyone, it's Dr. Krad here. This patient came to me for a second opinion after having cataract surgery elsewhere. She was charged for laser cataract surgery, but she felt like she didn't have any laser performed on her eye. So we look at the operative report, which states she had large laser LRIs, or limbal relaxing incisions, in her cornea at 103 and 283 degrees. We would expect them about here. As you can see, there are clearly no limbal relaxing incisions. In addition, we would expect to see a perfectly round capsulorhexis upon dilation. This one is clearly done by hand. Clinically, I don't see any complications from her surgery, but it's unfortunate that people were dishonest with her. I suggested this patient be straightforward and communicate openly with the office where she underwent the surgery and insist on a refund for the laser charges. Other than giving her my honest opinion, I didn't really know what else I could say. It's uncomfortable being in the middle of such situations. What would you guys have told her? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.